She's too fast.
Maya? Did she give up?
Excuse me,
Hey, that's not fair. She didn't go all the way to the pond. Whoa! She's cheating. We've got to go tell Judge Beeswax.
Whoa! Willy! Oh, no! She's not cheating! She's being chased! Come on, Willy! We gotta help her!
We'll never catch up to her. We have to warn Judge Beeswax.
Oh, no! I've got to do something. Mercy!
Hey! Over here!
Dragonfly Express, at your service. Hey, I know you. I wrecked your flower earlier.
Yeah, but now we've got another problem. A bird is chasing our friend! Can you help us?
That's the least I can do for you. And besides, I love giving birds the runaround. Hop aboard.